Good evening, everyone. It's been a while. So, anyways, I was in a gift exchange with some people I know, and I received this and something else, which was supposed to be the original video, but some stuff happened. So, a little bit of context for this. Glitter Girls is basically like a budget doll brand. I believe they are sold at Targets here in the United States, and their clothes also fit mini Dollfie Dreams or dolls of a similar size. My mini Dollfie Rua, her first outfit was a Glitter Girls outfit. I believe it was called a Gradient Day or something. I plan on making a video going like more in depth on like some of the outfits and comparing it to a Volks outfit perhaps, but that's sometime in the future. Now for the price of this one, it's listed on Amazon as being $12.99. Oh, interesting. Alright, so first up is this t-shirt that has these embroidered on polka dots that range from being a pale blue, pale pink, pale yellowish color, and orange. It also has a raised collar. The front of the shirt where the polka dots are also has like this layer of glitter on it, but the back does not. Oh, also it opens in the back with Velcro. There's also this very weird brown stain in the corner over here. Next up, we have this pleated high-waisted skirt. It's a very deep red color with like a plaid yellowish magenta pattern on it. There's also a silver Glitter Girls tag on the edge of the skirt. The inside is also lined with white seams. Next up, let's take a look at the accessories, starting with a glittery pink headband on that kind of like stretchy cord fabric. But on the box, it seems like the bow itself is a solid plastic. It's kind of a more gummy-ish, translucent pink material with silver sparkles embedded in it. Next up for the accessories are the shoes. So basically, almost all Glitter Girl shoes are made out of plastic. So these are a very saturated pinkish red, and they have various sculpted on seam details, and the laces are actually real, and they're pink color. And then we have the glasses. So these glasses are just simply a pale blue with a heart-shaped lens. The back arms actually open up on a hinge strap. Last but not least, we have the backpack, which is kind of the main accessory that I was excited for. The base color of the backpack is a satiny blue. The fabric is very interesting and feels quite, I don't know, it's very crunchy and it's very shiny. On the front of the backpack, you can see there is a little rainbow-ish. It's not really rainbow colors because it starts off with a pastel blue, then orange, then light pink, and then a lighter orange color. The straps at the back are a pink color made of that strappish fabric. I don't know how to describe it better. And then the zipper is also a lighter pink, and it can actually open. Alright, so here is my mini Dollfie Rua. As you can see, she is wearing some of the Glitter Girls outfit from the Gradient Day set. So yeah, I'll change her into the outfit right now, and then I will give my final verdict on what I think of the outfit. So, final verdict, interesting outfit. There's a lot of glitter coming off it, and I'm not really the biggest fan of glitter. So yes, the shirt fits fine. It's a little short, but that's to be expected with Glitter Girl clothes on Mini Dollfie Dreams. The skirt also fits fine, but is a little too short as well. Everything in the set is a lot more saturated and darker than it was on the box art. The glasses look a little bit goofy on her. The bow, it fits pretty well. The shoes actually fit a lot more better than the Gradient Day ones that I have, which is very interesting, but then again, I'm also worried about the color transfer that's going to be on those because plastic can also stain vinyl. The only thing about the backpack is the straps are actually too big. But yes, the last thing I want to touch on is the brown stain that was on our shirt wasn't a stain. I think it was probably some loose fabric from one of the embroidered on polka dots. Overall, the fit and the way it actually looks on Rua herself is a lot better than I thought it would be. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Now, I have a very big doll video coming up. So that's why you're getting this little silly filler content. I should have that doll video coming out sometime, maybe this month, but it might take a little longer. So if I disappear for like 2 months or so, it's because I'm working on that doll video. So yeah, until next time, good night.